Hello everyone, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about asynchronous queue and worker arrangement in Python FastAPI application. So let's get started. There are many frameworks or packages in Python that supports queue worker arrangement, but many of them are not asynchronous. Arc is one of the package which is fully asynchronous and has queue worker arrangement. With the help of Arc, we will create a worker that will look for asynchronous function, and when we put a new queue, worker will take the job and complete the job. So let's first see how this works. First, I have run my base application. Second, I have started my worker. Since this queue worker arrangement needs a very quick readable and writable database, I am using Redis and I have run it via Docker on my machine. So I have main application, I have a worker, and I have Redis. Very quickly, I'll put a job on the worker, and if I check the status of the job, you'll see that it is pending. And after the time that it took to process the function, we have finished status, and this is the result that I have sent from the worker. So let's understand how to implement this asynchronous queue worker using Arc in Python FastAPI application. I have this main.py file. This file holds my Python FastAPI application. It has ping route which sends status OK. Now it has this process route. This process route enqueues a new job provided in the body of this route. Then there is a status route which takes the job ID, look into the queue and send the status of the job. Then I have another route which again enqueues another function called quick sum. This process route enqueues long task function. So if you look here, I have tasks.py file. It has two asynchronous function, long task and quick sum. This quick sum is just receiving two integer and returning the sum of them while it sleeps for 5 seconds. This long task receives seconds to wait and a payload. I am just mimicking this payload to show you that you can pass any amount of information. But if you see, both these long task and quick sum accepts CTX argument at first place. So when we are implementing Arc based queue and worker arrangement, we need CTX argument in our asynchronous function. If you look closely to these two functions, you will see that both the functions are asynchronous function like a normal asynchronous function, but it only has CTX as first argument. Now I have worker.py in my root directory, and when I click on that, you will see a different setup. This different setup is for Arc based worker. To implement Arc based worker, we need to create a worker settings class. It will have function argument that will be a list of functions that you want to use as your queue. So we can have long task and quick sum as our queue. Then it needs a Redis setting. You can also provide a cron job function. Arc has inbuilt functionality for cron jobs, and you can put as much cron jobs as you can in a list, and Arc will run those at their appropriate time. Then I have implemented two static methods, on startup and on shutdown. So in case you want to connect to database or do anything on startup and on shutdown, you can write them here. Finally, the way you run all the things is you must have Redis instance running. Then you need to use arc worker.worker setting. That means this is my file name, worker is my file name, and it has a class called worker setting. So you need to change these based on your arrangement. And since I'm using UV, I have used UV run and this simple thing. And the FastAPI application can be run via different methods. So I hope this very quick tutorial about asynchronous queue and worker arrangement in Python FastAPI application has helped you. If you have any question regarding the implementation, you can reach out to me in the comment section. I'll surely try to help you. The code I have used is available on my GitHub, and the link of it is in the description of the video. Finally, if you like the content I put on my YouTube channel, consider subscribing to my channel. That helps. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the life. Feel the music. Peace.